Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 bhp. The Caravelle also comes fitted with a DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle, it comes with LED headlights along with LED daytime running lights. The vehicle also features a colour-coordinated front bumper with front parking sensors. Down below, the Caravelle sits on the 18-inch Sportline alloy wheels finished in a black colour, and towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate fitted with a heated rear window, as well as a rear view reverse camera fitted just above the rear number plate. The Caravelle also features rear parking sensors. Taking a look into the load area or boot space of the Caravelle, there is a fair amount of storage space which can be increased by moving that rear passenger bench forward. The vehicle comes with twin power sliding doors, behind which is a very spacious and comfortable rear passenger area. There are 2 seats in the middle which can be rotated around facing the front or the rear of the vehicle. As well as this, there is also a Caravelle pop-up table. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. All the chairs in the vehicle are finished in the full Napa leather in a titanium black colour. There's also a 6.3-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system complete with navigation, as well as having a few interesting climate controls. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. For any further information on this vehicle, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.